Did you actually expect it to be this big when you first saw it?
No. We first saw it in Chaitanya's house. The minute I saw it, I was like, dude, that's big. We did it. We made that purchase. We hyped it up for so long. We asked for like incredible amount of suggestions. We thought about it for a super long period.
I was standing half a foot below. But what's poppin' YouTube?
Welcome back to the
Brother Vlogs.
Welcome back to the channel. And if you've seen the thumbnail, you understand. You clicked in for that. But there is one more unboxed to be unboxed.
Before all that, it is 12:30 in the night,
and we are excited.
We are super excited.
We just got it. We
just come back home.
Actually, we had to make another vlog,
which we've already made. But we'll be posting that after this because this can't wait.
This can't wait.
We are eager. We are itchy.
Yes.
And it is right here. As you must have seen the thumbnail. So you know what is it about.
It's expensive, and following it up, accessories are also going to be expensive. Accessories as in TVs.
Yeah, because the TV which we have,
it's a very old.
It's old. It's not even a smart TV, which is in Srujan's room. So it's an old 55-inch TV. But this one would need another TV. That's
on a later stage. We are not going to talk about the TV now.
Yeah.
Though we have decided on what TV which we're going to get. So anyways, before further ado, we'll unbox the...
It was a gift which was given to me by Chaitanya. He had actually recently gone on a trip to Dubai. Recently in the tune of...
month ago?
Early Jan, he's come back. And he was supposed to give this to me then. And... he has finally given it to me today. It's a scale model of an Airbus A380. So let's unbox this. Thank you very much Chaitanya for this wonderful gift. And
मुझे कुछ नहीं दिया.
तेरा बचपन का दोस्त थोड़ी है, मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वो.
Both of us had biryani for dinner, so excuse us if we have a lot of burps in this video.
But I'll give you a couple of geek facts about this aircraft. So this is the scale model, 1:400, 1:400 ratio. 1 inch on this is 400 inches on a real aircraft. Yeah. So you can consider that scale. So I'll give you a few facts about this aircraft before I unbox it. It has a seating capacity of 491 passengers. The number of cabin crew which this aircraft accommodates is 25. And number of cockpit crew, the pilots like me, which it can carry is 5.
Huh?
At any point there will be 2 pilots flying. Because this particular aircraft flies for a very long distance, you have multiple sets of crew. It can have total of 5 pilots in the aircraft.
Yeah, exactly like a bus where you can sleep.
Yeah. So it has a range of 15,000 kilometers.
Oh.
Fuel capacity. Gulp this fact, okay? Fuel capacity of 3,23,546 liters.
Absolutely nothing to unbox except removing a plastic cover.
Yeah, but still, people, for all the AV geeks, this is something very, very special. Plastic. Oh, this is heavy.
It weighs 367 grams, kind of heavy.
Honestly, you don't, when you actually see it.
When you see it, you feel it's plastic.
Yeah.
It looks like that, but when you lift it, you'll understand, no dude, this is quality.
So, these are the other 2 scale models I have. On the left, on my left, this one, the white one, it's called Piaggio Avanti.
That's actually one of his favorite flights.
Yeah, this is not one, this is my favorite aircraft. So a lot of people ask me a lot of times, which is the dream aircraft I would love to fly? Piaggio Avanti. And the other option for me, for any pilot for that matter, would definitely be the Concorde.
Able to stop my excitement behind the camera.
Let's go unbox the PlayStation 5.
Sorry, we are not professional unboxers, but we are sort of professional bikers. I have a screwdriver in my hand, so that's the best I can do right now. It was very easily available in my room, yeah. So let's break the seal. screwdriver works. You don't have to always carry a knife.
Why don't you put that on the weighing scale and show how heavy that thing is actually?
Few of you will get PS5s from outside. If it is cheaper for you, this might help you. The entire box itself weighs around 6.4 kgs, guys. So if you want to get the whole thing from outside, the box weighs 6.4 kgs.
You know what? In an aircraft, the maximum weight allowed in hand baggage is 7 kilos.
Oh, perfect.
So if somebody wants to get it as a hand baggage, that'll perfectly fit in.
You can get this as a hand baggage?
Yeah.
If we can?
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as we open, you have quick start guide in multiple languages, safety guide in multiple languages.
Yeah, that can be used as a weapon, but it's 6.5 kilos.
Nothing to be used here. Indian power cord. This is Asian or Indian? Indian, right? Yeah, Indian power cord. And also you get the wonderful PS5. You get this PS5 controller, all white. I'm not a big fan of white controllers because we tend to use them very roughly, and while we are do those intense gamings and play for hours together, we tend to sweat from our palms. Both me and Rohit, we generally have sweaty palms, but I don't know how this thing will last because white controllers, smudges, dirt, everything will get accumulated. Let's hope so. A long-term review, we will do it probably after 6 months, and I'll show you how the wear and tear of the controller is. So we get one controller with the box. Again, paperwork. Oh, we also get a USB Type-C charger for the controller. Finally, USB-C everything.
And good, no, you don't need batteries anymore.
You don't need batteries.
Yeah, that's the best part of the
You just
new
need to charge,
controllers.
and so USB-C.
I just hope it holds charge pretty decent. Not like, because I remember the Xbox used to, run through batteries like literally every few hours.
We have a lot of
Yeah.
batteries as backup. And
In fact, I guess we still have a lot of this because we used to use a lot of rechargeable batteries. I think we purchased about some 20.
Xbox is not the time right now. We jumped
We jumped the platform.
We took the leap. Okay, by the way, this is the first time we are taking a Sony PlayStation. We have been using Xbox from past 14-15 years now.
Yeah, since the Xbox 360 was there.
We launched. Again, if you open few tabs, you get everything stuck together. Oh, you get the stand. Stand's big, man. Stand's big. Again, my palm is like buried behind the stand. It's kind of big. And you get a HDMI cable. It doesn't say fast HDMI cable or something. Hopefully it is.
Hopefully that's HDMI 2.1, but we don't have a TV which supports HDMI 2.1 yet. Trash.
It was held up with that, so you cannot call it trash.
More trash.
Pretty much you are done with unboxing except for the PS5. Because
A box within a box.
this was hard to manage. Not the cleanest unboxing, not the safest unboxing. That's what I felt. Yeah. Even the inner box is PlayStation with some branding on the back. Protection. Oh, by the way, this is the disc version. You've seen the reviews, you've seen many unboxings of the PS5, and whenever they said the new PS5 looks big, I thought it might be a little bigger than this, but it is almost twice the size. And just for a size comparison, this is a Tata Sky setup box, and you can probably place 4 of them. You can probably place 4 of them, but still the new PS5 will be bigger than all those 4.
Okay, just for your reference, the Xbox is actually behind the PS.
That is how big the new PS is. It is completely gargantuan in size when you compare it to the.
This is the Xbox One S, by the way.
Belongs to a friend of ours.
And it is huge in size. It is unbelievable, like how much real estate it's going to take in your house just to put it somewhere. So it is huge. Did you actually expect it to be this big when you first saw it?
No. We first saw it in Chaitanya's house. The minute I saw it, I was like, dude, that's big. And now I'm having thoughts that my TV position is here, and I'm pretty sure the PS5 will not fit here. So now, just because of to accommodate that, I need to move my entire TV setup and probably place it somewhere here. We just thought about it. The new TV will come here. The PS5 will be here. Only that's how I can fit the new PS.
And again, the size comparison to the controllers.
It's similar, kind of similar.
Yeah, they are kind of similar in size.
Both of them are white. This is little off-white and this is pure white, and because of that I feel it has a greyish tone to it, very subtle greyish tone to it. Honestly, I like the color of the Xbox One S more than the PS, but internal specs, the graphic it produces, those two cannot be compared. This is the older generation, new generation. And no, we are not getting the Xbox Series S, which is the next generation of the Xbox. We have decided we are only getting one. Hope you liked it. Hope you like this.
And this is where we are actually going to end this video because it's quite late in the night. We'll show you the boot up of the PS in another video. And this is where we're going to say you guys bye-bye, good night. And keep watching for the next video, which was already shot earlier today, but we couldn't wait to unbox this mental machine, and we can't wait to play it. We just have one controller, Abhi. We can't even play against each other, but we will definitely start recording games for you on the PS5 and we'll be uploading them.
For all the geeks out there, I've personally read online. I'm sorry I'm cutting off Rohit here, but I have read online, and for all the geeks, let me just keep everything safe. All the reviewers out there online, they have said that there is a very small PS engraved on the inside part of this white textured shield. Honestly, if I see it with the naked eye, I cannot make a difference. I can only tell that the inside part has a textured finish when compared to the outside one, but I've just taken a photo, and this is a 2x zoom photo, and if I zoom a bit more, I can probably make out the XOs, triangles and circles, but it is very minute. We probably need a telescope or magnifying lens to prove that theory. Hopefully this is true. If at all I get the opportunity, I'll try to do that, but for the naked eye, no, that's just another textured finish. And we will wrap up the video by saying it costed us 49,990 rupees to get the PS5 with the one controller. So yeah, Indian price, don't get fooled by buying it somewhere else outside. If at all, I'm pretty sure the PS5 ran out of stock immediately. The pre-bookings were open. There are few wholesalers are doing it, but they're selling it first like 70 or 80,000. Don't buy them immediately. Wait for a month or two. It's 20 to 30,000 upwards of the original price they've kept. With that amount, you can probably get a good subwoofer for yourself. So wait for 2 months and probably get the perfect one from the Sony PlayStation platform or from Amazon. So saying that, I want to say peace. I can't wait to play it, but it's quite kind of late. We need to edit this video. We need to also edit the day's video as well. We'll catch you guys in the next video. See you. Peace out.
Bye. Good night.
In the whole process, while clearing out the entire box, we missed out on 2 things. One is a warranty card which is valid for 1 year from the date of purchase.
It's valid till March 2022.
And also we get this certificate saying that India day 1 PS5 consumer. Do you like it?
Nah.
It's nothing here. It's absolutely nothing. The Xbox which we got, the previous Xbox which you got, the day 1 Xbox One consumer, it was engraved on the controller saying that day 1 edition.
Day 1 edition.
And इसमें कुछ नहीं.
This is not worth anything. This is
क्या certificate है, कुछ नहीं. So but still, as a proof,
maybe if you want to sell it someday, maybe it'll have some value.
I don't think so. We'll keep this.
Yeah.
Just as a proof, this is the day 1 PS5 consumer product. Okay, bye bye. Good night.